So this will work for anybody who uses Wipeout to automatically take products that are sold out off your website. This is a free version of how to do that. It works great. It is right through Shopify Flow app. So the first step would be to go to the App Store and add the Shopify Flow app, which would be this one right here. This is the Shopify Flow app. As you can see, it's free. No cost to use it. It is a great tool. You can actually use this instead of a lot of paid apps. It can do the same thing. So I'm going to show you how to use it and how you can automatically take products off your website that are sold out without having to pay for it. So after you download the app right here, you can open it. And once you open it, it's going to kind of look like this. This is going to be a little confusing at first, but I promise it is not that hard. They have a lot of templates that are very easy to use. As you can see, I have it right here. I have it inactive for right now, so I can show you the process of setting it up yourself. So let's get into it. First things first, you're going to need to go into the Shopify Flow app on your computer. This only works on the computer. It is very difficult to use on the phone, and I do not recommend it. So, go to Create Workflow right here in the top right. You can browse the templates. This is why it makes it super easy. Templates, what do you want to do? Describe what you would like to automate. So we can type in sold out. Archive product is all variants are out of stock at all locations. This is the template you're going to want to use. So you can go ahead and click this. As you can see, product variant out of stock. Then check if all variants on the same product are also out of stock at all locations. Then update product status to archive. That will take the entire product off your website so nobody can see it if it's sold out in all variants. So after that is done, it's simple as clicking install. Then we can turn the workflow on. Turning on the workflow will activate the automation. You can turn that on here. Now, if any product is sold out, this is your flow. Start when product variant out of stock. Check if all variants on the same product are also out of stock at all locations. Then do this. Update product status to archived. So that will take it right off your website, allowing nobody to order anything. And what's cool about this actually is, app is it will actually show you when it runs. So for example, these are the previous ones I did before setting this up and showing you guys how to do it. You can see right here, it hit a product and added tag, so it archived it for me, making it sold out on my website. And that's really all there is to do. Now you can delete Wipeout off your Shopify, and you can save $10 a month just by doing this.